All right, this is the last of the big charts we're going to build, and it's going to be a stacked bar chart. So we want to, again, insert. We want to go to column or bar charts, and we want to be a stacked bar. This type of chart compares parts of a whole across categories, and it shows how parts of a whole change over time. So let me get this to a new sheet. And you can see that over time, you can tell where the numbers of downloads has increased. Now, one of the things it wants you to do is we don't need to go all the way to 10,000 on our downloads, for the total is less than 9,000. So we're going to chart elements, axis, more options, and then the graph. And in our axis options, we can see that we want the maximum to be 9,000. And I believe it wants it to be 500. So you get a little bit better visual of if you make it the numbers more accurate. Now, another thing it wants us to do is to select our vertical axis and reverse the order so that it shows up alphabetically like it does on the worksheet. So we go to our axis options again and the graph, and down here you can see categories in reverse order. And so again, you've been given that reverse order. Don't forget to do your formatting. It wants this to be 11, I believe, and all of these to be bigger. And I believe that's all we've got for this one. Let me check. One last thing I didn't mention in these is the alt text. Alt text is for descriptions of objects that someone may not be able to see on a screen reader, for example. So you copy and paste in this from your instructions. Giving someone that is visually impaired the alternative text. And that's all we've got for this last chart in chapter